Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use Telegram monetization in channel. First, make sure to meet the requirements. Ensure your channel has at least 1,000 subscribers. Monetization is available for public channels meeting this threshold. Opt in to display ads in your channel settings under Monetization tab. Next, understand the basics. Telegram now allows channel owners to receive 50% of the revenue from ads displayed in their channels. The new type of ads is powered by Ton Coins, a cryptocurrency on the Ton blockchain. So you need to create your first ad. Log into the Telegram ad platform to get started with creating ads. Then choose the exact channels where you'd like your ad to appear, giving you full control over context. So why Telegram ads are special? First off, Telegram ads are different from other apps. They are shown only in large public channels. They never appear in your chats or chat list. And they're not based on user data. They directly benefit channel owners. And the last one, if you'd like to turn off ads, consider subscribing to Telegram Premium, which offers exclusive features and ad-free experience. Explore other monetization methods such as affiliate marketing, selling your products, or donations. So that's how you basically use this Telegram monetization. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.